Open the control panel on your computer. Click Programs, then select Turn Windows Features on or off under Programs and Features. Make sure the FTP server folder is fully checked, then check IS Management Console. Open Internet Information Services IS Manager. Click at FTP site under the Sites folder. Enter name in the FTP site name field. Select the physical path for the new FTP site. Here, we chose the F folder on the D drive. Enter your IP address and port. For SSL, select No SSL, and click Next. Check Anonymous and Basic Authentication, select All Users, check both Read and Write. Open Computer Management, Local Users, and Groups Users, and locate your username. Tap Settings About Us on the screen, then check the printer's IP address. Back to the Settings page and tap Upgrade. Tap FTP in the top right corner. Enter the FTP information you set up earlier in the link FTP. After tapping the green button, you will see Connection Succeeded. At this point, the printer's FTP folder is shared with the FTP directory on your computer.